Hello students of class 5. So in this lecture I am going to discuss the next exercise, that is exercise 5.2. Already in my last lecture I have discussed about multiples, okay, and how to find the lowest common multiple using prime factorization method and what is LCM, okay. So now in this lecture I am discussing this questions of exercise 5.2. So let us do question 1. So here in question number 1 it is written, first you have to find 6 multiple of each of the number and then you have to find the 3 common multiples, okay. Then finally you have to find the LCM, okay. So this question you have to do it in your copy, okay, in your classwork copy. So how to do it, see, first of all you have to make columns like this. First column will be numbers, second will be multiples and third will be common multiples and fourth column will be LCM, okay. So first I am doing question number B from 1. So 5, 10, two numbers are there. So first of all you have to find the first 6 multiples of 5. So for that we will count the multiplication table of 5, okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, okay. Similarly the multiples of 10, the first 6 multiples of 10 will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So now we have to write the common multiples. So it is written in the question that we have to write the 3 common multiples. So see, the first will be 10, okay, the second will be 20 and the third will be 30. So this is common between both. So these are the common multiples. In the common multiples table you have to, in this column you have to write 10, 20 and 30. So now you have to write the LCM. LCM means the lowest common multiple. So which one is lowest among 10, 20 and 30? Yes, 10 will be the lowest one. So LCM of 5 and 10 will be what? 10. Similarly, so see, in question number D, there are 3 numbers 3, 2 and 4. Now we have to find the common multiple and then that means we have to find the first 3 common multiple as well as the lowest common multiple of 3, 2 and 4. So individually, first of all we have to find the multiples of 3, then we have to find the multiple of 2, then multiple of 4. See, in question it is given that you have to find we have to find only 6 multiples, okay. But see, if we find only 6 multiple of 3 or 2 or 4, then we will not get 3 common multiples, okay. So that's why we have to go up to this one, okay. See, here I am writing the multiple of 3 up to what? 42, okay. By that way we can easily find the 3 common multiples of 3, 2 and 4. So see, you have to write the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, okay. Like that I have stopped at 42 and then it will go on like this, okay. So like that I have written 3 dots. So next again, one more thing, here also you have to write dot because it is continuing, okay. Already I told you have to write, okay, because it is continuing, that's why you have to write 3 dots. Similarly, the multiples of 2 you have to write the table of 2, okay, multiplication table of 2. So I have stopped up to 36. Next, for 4 again I have to write the multiplication table of 4. So see what is common. First number is 12. 12 is common in all the 3 multiples. That means the multiples of 3, the multiple of 2 and the multiple of 4. 12 is common in all the 3 of them. Similarly, the next number is 24. See, 24 is common in all of them. Here is also 24. Next will be what? 36. So next is 36. So we will circle it. Now we will write the common multiples. So in common multiples we are having 3 common multiples. First one is 12, then 24, then 36. So which one is the lowest? 12 is the lowest. So this is the LCM of 12 is the LCM of 3, 2 and 4. So see the next question. Question number 2. You have to do it by yourself. Already one type of question in exercise 5.1 I have discussed in my previous class, okay. So try to do question number 2. Next is question number 3. So I am doing one question from this. See, already prime factorization is given for each number. Next you have to find the LCM. Okay. So see here, first here I am writing the prime factorization of 8. It is already given, so we can write 2 into 2 into 2. Next is prime factorization of 10. So how to find? Already it is given, so we don't need to find it, just we can write it 2 into 5. So now next step was what? We have to write the common factors. So what is common? 2 is common, so we can write common factors is equal to 2. And factors not in common, factors which are not in common will be what? 2, 2, 5. Okay. So what was the next step? Next step is LCM. So in LCM we have to multiply common factors with uncommon factors. Okay, all the common factors and all the uncommon factors we have to multiply with each other so that we can easily find the LCM. So 2 into 2 into 2. So see here, there are 3 number of 2's. Okay, so we have to multiply it, and last is 5, again multiply it with 5. So 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8, and 8 into 5 will be 40. So this is the LCM of 8 and 10. Okay. So try to do question number 3. Next I am doing question number 4. So next is question number 4. Here we have to find the LCM using prime factorization. Okay. So see, in last question also we have to find the LCM only. That is the same question, but in question number 3 already prime factorization was given. But here we have to do prime factorization. Okay, so how to find the prime factorization of a number? There is a method. You can easily find the prime factorization of any number by using that method. So the first will be factor tree. Already you know how to find the factor tree of a given composite number. Okay, by that way you can easily find the prime factorization. And the second one, already you know factor tree. Okay, so now I am going to discuss about the second one. So how to find? See, like this you have to make rows. Okay, so first of all what we have to do? We have to write like this. Okay, so here we are finding the prime factorization of 16 first. So we have to write like this. Okay, so now you have to see that which one is the lowest prime number by which 16 is divisible. Okay, you know 16 is divisible by 2 and 2 is the lowest prime number. Okay, so we have to divide it by 2. So here we are writing 2. Okay, so now next step will be we have to write the quotient here. Okay, 2 8s are will be what? 16. Like that you have to do. So 2 8s are will be what? 16. So see, 16 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, and 8 is the quotient. So here first of all we have to write 2 and 2 8s are. So 8 is what? 8 is quotient. Okay. So 8 is quotient. Here remainder will always be 0 as we are taking a number which should be exactly divisible. Okay. So like that 16 is exactly divisible by 2. We have to take a number, again I am repeating, we have to take a number that should be exactly divisible. Okay. And we have to take a prime number only. So here we are taking first of all 2. So again we have to check 8. Okay. Again now our new dividend is 8. Okay. So now which is the lowest prime number by which 8 is divisible? Yes. Again the number will be what? 2. So see here 2 what? 2 4s are what? 8. You have to do like this. Okay. Like that 2 into 8 will be what? 16. So 2 4s are is what? 8. Okay. So now our new dividend will be what? 4. Okay. So this one is 4. So again you know 4 is what? 4 is divisible by 2. See, 4 is divisible by 4 also, but 4 is not a prime number. Okay, 4 is a composite number. So we cannot take 4. Okay. So again we have to take 2 because 2 is a what? 2 is a prime number. So again 2 what? 2 2s are. Okay, 2 2s are is what? 4. Okay. So like that again it is what? 2. So 2 2s are 4. So again 2 is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are will be what? 2. So we have to do like this till we get what? 1. Okay. So this is the way and when you go in class 6 you have to follow this one only, okay, this method, because for bigger number you cannot use factor tree because it will take more time and this takes less time, okay, that's why I am telling. So please try to practice it. By practicing only you can easily remember the steps, okay. So next number is 24, okay. So next is 24. So how to do the prime factorization of 24? See, by this method. So if you don't know 24 is divisible by which number, so you can divide, okay, in rough copy you can divide 24 by 2. As you see, in the unit place is 4, okay, by that way also you can check. Unit place is 4, that means this number is divisible by 2, okay. So 2 12s are 24, okay, 2 12s are 24. Next again 12 is divisible by 2, 2 is the prime number, so again 2 6s are will be what? 12. Again 2 3s are will be what? 6. Now see, we got what? We got 3. So 3 is not divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 3 and 3 is a prime number again. So we can write here 3. So 3 1s are will be what? 3. So 1 has come, now we have to stop here. So next step, how to write the prime factorization? See, prime factorization of 16. So these numbers you have to write. So you have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, there are 4 number of 2's. Similarly, in case of 24, see, you have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so what are the common factors? See, first 1 2 is common. Next another 2 is also common. Next another 2 is also common, okay. So what are the uncommon factors? These are uncommon, 2 and 3 that are uncommon, okay. You have to write the uncommon factors. Next step will be LCM of 16 and 24, okay. So here you have to multiply the common and uncommon factors. So like that way we are multiplying 4 number of 2's and with 3, okay. So final answer is what? 48. So another question from the from question number 4 I have taken number H. Here there are three numbers given. So like that only we first find the prime factorization of 16, which is same, okay. Already we have done in question number A, okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next 12, okay. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factorization of 12 will be 2 into 2 into 3. Next for 32 again I have done. So total number of 2 is 5. So I have written all the prime factorization. Now for first we have to write the common factors. So see what is common. So this is common, okay. So 2, 1 2 for this. Next another 2 is common, okay. So we have to write this one. Now see, here it is 2, here 3, here 2. But see, in the first, that is the factors of 16 and factor of 32, another 2 is common, okay. So we have to take the common, okay, that one, that 2 also we have to take. So don't think that here also 2 should be present, okay. So we have to take the common one. It may be common in between the two numbers also, okay. It is not compulsory that 2 should come in all the three numbers. That means the factors of 16 is 2, factor of 32 is 2, then also we can take number 2, okay. So how to write this one? See here you can check that 3 is not common, okay. So we can write 3 like this also. I have separated it, okay. So now see, 2 is common, so I am writing 2. So for this 1 2, again another 2 is also common between the factors of 16 and 32. So again for that we have to write another 2. So by that way, how many common number of 2's are there? 1 2 3 4, okay. So 4 common factors are there. Next is uncommon factors. So what are remaining? Remaining factors are 3 and 2. So we are writing 3 comma 2. Now what we have to do? Yes, multiply the common with uncommon factor. So all the 2's with uncommon factors. So it will be what? So see here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There are 5 number of 2's, and you know if we multiply 5 number of 2's we will get 32, okay. Then 32 we have to multiply it with 3. So by that way we will get what? We get 96. So 96 is the LCM of 16, 12 and 32. Okay. So that's it for today. Please try to do the remaining questions. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. And the chapter checkup part is also, you have to do it by yourself. Practice it, okay? Practice as much as you can.